Hi friends! Today I'm going to give you a quick tour around my home and show you all of my Easter decor. Alright, this is what it looks like behind my front door. So when my door is closed, in the corner I just have this red vase that I have had forever. I found that at a thrift store and I painted it red, and I added these pretty yellow flowers because those go really good with spring. And on the back of the door, I have a previous video on this carrot, so I will link that up in the sky here so you guys can check that out if you have not seen it already. But this carrot I found at the thrift store for $1.99. I love it. So that's what the front door looks like. Over beside the front door, we have our bench, and I just have this cute little teal pillow. I believe I picked that up at Target a couple seasons back, can't exactly remember. Beside the front door, I have this little coat rack, and on top of the shelf, I just have this green plant. I just put the planter down in this pot that I got from the Dollar Tree, but I do intend to finally put the flower in there eventually. I have this little bunny that I picked up from Ross last year. This clear vase came from the Dollar Tree, and I just filled it with moss and eggs just to make it a little festive for Easter. This sign always stays here. Same thing with this. This always stays here. So I also have this cute little Happy Easter sign that is hanging on our lamp in the corner. In the living room, I haven't done too much with the couch. I did add these teal chevron pillows. I already had those. These are pillowcases that can be taken off and washed, so I love those. In the corner, I have this Change the World pillow. And then on the other side, just another set of the teal pillows in the gray. Moving on to the mantle. Here's what that looks like, and I will zoom in so you guys can get a close look at everything that I have up here. On this side, I have two of these Dollar Tree pedestals, and to make this one taller, I have stuck one of my Christmas tree blocks of wood underneath it, and it just gives it a little bit height so it's different. And on these, I have these cute little birds. I got these on super clearance last year at Kirkland's. And down below it, I just have another few of those eggs. I have these scattered throughout my home. I also have this pretty Easter banner. And this, I believe, also came from Kirkland's. Last year, I got a lot of stuff there after Easter when they marked it down. I can't quite remember, but I'm pretty sure that came from Kirkland's. Same thing with this wreath. This came from Kirkland's last year, and I just hung this ribbon on it to be able to hang it from my mirror. That's what that looks like. And on this side, more of these eggs. And I just have my little house with my little plant inside. And then I have this really pretty vase that my sister-in-law gave me. And another set of those pretty yellow flowers that are in it. Let me back up and I'll show you guys. There it is. I love how it turned out this year. Here is our entryway table. And over here I have added this little duck. And this came from Kirkland's as well last year. And it's just a metal little duck. And I love him. He's so cute. He actually will hold our remote perfectly. So that's usually what I've been sticking it lately. Then I have one of these Target trees from last year. And this is another DIY project that I did, and I will link the video for this as well. And I have my Somebody Loves You sign. I believe this came from Ross. Let's see. Yep. Ross, $3.99. I did not get that this year, so I don't know if you can find this at Ross. I believe I got that last year. And then I just have my green topiary, and I actually just updated this. This had a black stand, and I recently spray painted that white. And just my little hello sign. Oh, and I also stuck this yellow runner on top because I thought that gave it just a really nice pop of color. In my kitchen, on my table chairs, I have added these cute little bunny covers. These came from the Dollar Tree, I'm pretty sure last year, but I think I saw them this year too, so you probably can find something similar to those. And on the table, I have these pretty roses that my husband recently got me, and I have them in my favorite teal vase. I have my wood box that I just showed you guys in an Insta story, so if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you head over there and follow me. My fresh baked pies served daily sign that came from the Target bullseye area, I believe last year. A few more of those eggs that you see, and these eggs are actually on picks, and I have them stuck down inside some floral foam that's underneath this towel. And then on the towel, just a cute little bunny with my signature teal color. You probably have noticed that I have this color throughout my home. And I have a table runner. This is actually a full table runner, and on the other side, as you see, it has butterflies and flowers and things. I just folded it in half and turned it over to the plain blue side. I just liked the pop of blue that it gave. So that's what that looks like. On my pantry door, I have this little wreath that I keep up all the time, but I added these little berries. Well, they're not even berries. I'm not exactly sure what you call these, but this was from the spring collection, and I found this at the thrift store, so I went ahead and added it to the wreath to give it a little pop of color. And on top of the microwave, I haven't really done too much with this. I have a placemat that I put down. I, of course, love the teal color, so I just stuck that. I thought it just needed a little pop of color up here. And I also have this bowl that looks like an egg. So I have that up here filled with different little candies for people who come over. On my stove, I have the matching towel that goes to the little bunny towel that you just saw on my table. I have that hanging from my stove. And I also have this little plant. Now this stays here year round. I just really like the colors in it, so I have that sitting here. We're moving over to the corner of my countertop. I just have this really pretty plant, and this is a real plant. This is not fake, so I have to make sure I remember to water that guy. And I have my Egg Hunt This Way sign. I believe this sign also came from Ross. Yep, this one came from Ross, and it was $3.99 as well. And that came from Ross last year, so I did not pick that up recently, so I don't know if you can find that. I have one of my cute little bunnies, and this just came from the Dollar Tree. This was in one of those painting sets, and I decided just to keep them white. So I have one sitting right here. My little carrots sit right beside it. Usually they're stacked up cute, but right now they're not wanting to stack. And on the window sill in my kitchen, I have this bunny treat sign. This came from Target, I believe, last year. So when everything was marked down on clearance, I picked him up. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but I love that. And then I just have a couple of these Dollar Tree succulents that I have added moss to the top of, and just a couple of little Easter eggs. So this is our half bath downstairs, and on the door I have this welcome sign that I got from the Dollar Tree last year. And I just love all the colors on that. And going into the bathroom, hey guys, in the corner here I have this little bunny sign, and this is actually metal. Let's see, I think this came from Kirkland's. Yeah, this came from Kirkland's. You see the prices. I did not pay $14.99 or $9.99 for this. This was on super clearance last year after Easter, so I picked it up then. I don't remember exactly how much it is, but I love him. On the other corner, I have this topiary that I actually did myself. I made a DIY video on this, so I will link that to this as well. So if you guys would like to check out how I made this, make sure you check out that video. It was super simple. Everything that you see here came from the Dollar Tree. Hanging on the wall, I have this "We Believe in the Easter Bunny" sign. And this also came from the Dollar Tree. And I just love his little bow. It's so cute. I have this little shelf that I've decorated just a little bit. I have this balloon banner, which is actually falling. I need to fix that. But I have that hanging up at the top. And on the shelf, I have just this really cute little picture. This came from the Dollar Tree as well. And I just love the look of this. It looks like wood, and it has the little flowers. So I thought this was perfect for springtime, along with this little candle that came from the Dollar Tree. I love the look of this, and the green color matched so well with everything else. So I picked him up. Not to mention, he also smells really good. I have this bee that I did a DIY on recently, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you check that out. It was super simple, and I just added these flowers from the Dollar Tree to it. And over here, just another one of my plants and another egg. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you're doing well. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.